Whatever you think the best looking graphics card this generation is, you're wrong, because the answer is this. And the best thing about it, it even has a handle. You know you're in for something special when your graphics card opens like this. Oh my word, what do we even do with all of this? Like, I honestly don't know what to expect because I never unboxed a graphics card as this premium. Underneath you have all of the goodies, including, oh look at this guy. Okay, he looks awesome, I'm getting distracted. And here's the start of the show itself, which looks as good in the real world as it did on the internet. Not only the front, not only the back, but also the side, which, let's be honest, will be the side you're looking at the most, all look absolutely fantastic. And you think it looks good already, but it's gonna look even better when all of this is lit up with RGB. Now, as you can probably see, it does have the 16-pin connector, which is the first gen one. I don't believe it uses the updated one. But dear viewer, this is your chance to call me a hypocrite. Because even though, as much as I complain about it, I still went with a graphics card with only one HDMI port and 3 DisplayPort ports. Yes, I know it's just not good enough, but like, it just looks too good to not get, you know. The whole thing is also very compact for an RTX 4080, which is very important for me. Because if you remember my video planning out my water cooling loop, yeah, we're not gonna have a lot of clearance room left. Beyond the card, what else do we have here? Yeah, we do have an adapter which converts 3 8-pins to a 16-pin. However, I'll be using a PC Gen 5 native PS2, so it doesn't really matter. You even have some thermal paste, which Gigabyte, I mean, it's nice and all, but I'm scared just to water cool this thing. What makes you think I'm brave enough to actually take it apart and repaste it? And you even get a flag? Like, I mean, it's cute and all, but why? If this doesn't scream gamer, I don't know what will. Wait, does this guy count as a Funko Pop? Oh no, please don't tell me I got tricked into buying a Funko Pop. But like, what else can I say? It's an RTX 4080, and you already know how this performs. And I'm just glad I'm finally upgrading. So if you want to see my attempt at water cooling for the first time when I put this thing in, well, definitely subscribe so you don't miss it. This card is going to get soaked in water, I can pretty much guarantee it. And if you want to get one yourself, then our links to it are going to be down in the video description below. And also, while you're still here, maybe also check out our Patreon, so you know expenses for awesome projects for the channel like this one are actually viable. Plus also huge thanks to our existing patrons, Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Froniak, Dev Panda, Bartosz Welka, Meg Sumner, Sheen Allcroft, Lansby, and Level Up. Anyway, that's all it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all whenever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.